So sometimes instead of asking average, if average is given, and instead of finding the additional term or excluded term, so they may ask questions when one term is replaced also, and we'll see how to do that working when we replace one term. Say for example, average weight of 45 boxes increased by 2 when a damaged box weighing 70 kg was replaced by a new box. So find the weight of the new box. So we'll see the working. So in this question, instead of adding one term or removing one term, we have replaced the term, that is weight of the box which had 70 kgs. So how to find the weight of the new box which was added? So average of 45 boxes. So here the average is not given. Say we can take some variable, say it as A. So average of 45 boxes I have taken as A, and now we have to find sum of this 45 boxes weight, so which is got by multiplying the average and number of terms. So when you multiply this 45 and A, sum of weight of this 45 boxes is got as A into 45. So from this sum, we are removing a box which weighed 70 kg. So from this, we remove this data, and now we add a new box, and weight of that box is asked. So we take that as X. So now from this sum of 45 boxes weight, so we have removed this 70 and added weight of the new box. We have, that's what we have replaced the term. And now how many boxes will be there? So we have taken out one box and added one. So we have replaced one term. So where here number of terms remains the same. So now we have corrected this sum, and to find the average we should divide by number of terms. Here number of terms is again 45. So in this case number of terms doesn't change. So which is equal to, so because of this correction, so average is increased by 2. So the given average is A, and the new average will be A plus 2. And now to find this X, so one by one we have to solve this. So sending this 45, we get an equation. So 45A minus 70 plus X, so which is equal to 45 into A plus 2. So by expanding this, so on both sides, that is the left hand side and the right hand side, you have this 45A term, so which gets cancelled, and we need this value of X. So we isolate this X by sending this 70 to the other side. So we have 45 into 2, and this minus 70 when sent to the other side becomes 70. And now to find the replaced box, a new box's weight, so it is 70 plus, so 45 into 2 it is 90, which is equal to 160. So now to find the weight of the box, weight of the new box, so instead of doing all this, so I will give you a shortcut as we did for addition of one term and removal of one term. So there is a shortcut where you can get the answer easily by applying that. New term. So to find this new term, so with this replaced term, so as we are replacing, there is no addition or deletion, so this will be always plus. So you please note that, so it should be always plus here whenever you are replacing one term. So replace term plus number of terms, so it is just number of terms into plus or minus So change in average. So now by applying this shortcut, we can find the new term easily by substituting the corresponding values. So here the new term is, so replace term is 70 and always here it is plus. So number of terms is, earlier it was 45 and as you have replaced it remains the same, so which is again 45 into, so change in average here as it is increased, so it is plus 2 again, so which is equal to 70 plus 90 and weight of the new box added is 160 kg. So now without doing all this working, so just by applying this shortcut, so you can find the new term whenever a term is replaced. So for new term, replace term is 70 and number of terms is 45, change in average is plus 2. So 45 into 2, 90 plus 70. So weight of the new box is 160. So now we'll see the shortcut. So and the shortcut here is new term equal to replace term plus number of terms into plus or minus change in average. So please note here, so two concepts. So whenever you are replacing a term, number of terms will be always same and change in average depends on whenever it increases it is positive and if it decreases it is minus. So whether it is increase or decrease, so it should be replace term plus number of terms into plus or minus change in average. So we'll see the next concept, wrong entries.